back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I have another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the huge online real estate company Zillow. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, and they are paying very decent. We're going to get on to all of the details, but just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But Zillow is hiring a customer care advocate for their rentals department. Now, this is remote work from home for my United States folks only. Now, Zillow is hiring for the rental department. They want someone to be able to work with landlords and people looking to rent houses. So this is going to be a customer service role. You'll be working directly with paid partners, customers, which are considered landlords, property managers, and renters, and internal employees to troubleshoot and resolve different issues, such as getting the listings up, billing, account information, or answering product questions. You'll need to have a strong dedication to providing education and resolving any technical issues while maintaining a high level of professionalism. You'll respond to all the customers within your assigned service level and take ownership of resolving issues from start to finish. You'll be handling a high volume of customer inquiries through both email and phone to meet and exceed defined ticket quotas or other activity metrics using Zendesk. So you're going to communicate with all of them and adapt quickly to changes. So you're going to be answering basically any questions that they have and helping renters connect with landlords and helping landlords connect with renters. That's what this program is all about. So landlords may have questions regarding their listings going up, where renters may have questions regarding the billing of their rent or other things. Now, of course, if you don't mind customer service, they are paying anywhere from $18.50 an hour all the way up to $29.50 an hour. Of course, experience and location does play into pay rate, but always negotiate that salary because they do have it budgeted to pay up to $29 an hour. Now, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who has at least 2 years experience in customer service, someone who can be a problem solver, but stay happy and upbeat while doing it. Someone who will take ownership and be committed to working quickly to help the customer. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and great interpersonal skills. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. You can include any education and experience that you have. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.